record and share my screen. All right, so is my screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so before we proceed to the week 5, let's go to the week 4 first. So does anyone who has a concern or a question or clarification so far with the week 4?
Sir, pwede po bang mag-send ng yung answers and formulas sa ibang Seatworks individually?
You mean like for example, in Secret 1, you're going to submit a solution for the Secret 1?
Yung sa Seatwork 2, sir, kung pwede po sana makuha kung paano nakuha yung answer sa questions 17, 18, and 19, sir.
Sure. Uh, did you message me already on Facebook?
Sir?
Na-message mo na ba ako sa Facebook? May contact, or do you know my Facebook?
Yes, sir.
Just contact me there tomorrow because the deadline of this one will be tomorrow. So I can give this one to you. No. The next day, I can give the answer to you Wednesday. It's
Yes po,
coming
sir.
March
Thank
30
you,
because I
sir.
cannot give it to you right now since it's still ongoing. So your other classmates might not yet done with this one. Okay, so I can give the result or the answer for you to this one tomorrow. Okay, so same with the others. If you guys need this, say a specific solution or answer for a specific situation, just message me. Okay. All right. So what about the others? If none, just give me a quick thumbs up so that I know that you're doing fine. All right. So 4 or 5 out of 9 or out of 10. What about the others? Those who didn't respond. So no, I don't really know if you guys are there or you went somewhere. Maybe some of you went to bathroom. So if ever that you guys have a question or clarifications, just let me know. Okay. Anyway, we can wait forever. So let us proceed now to week 5. All right. So here's what we'll do, so that we're not going to meet tomorrow anymore. We'll just have an overview for the week 5 and week 6 right now. So I'll just do them in one day instead of meeting again tomorrow. So here is the overview for the week 5. So we only have two top learning outcomes, topic learning outcomes. So we have to define what is relation and their types. Basically, these are the types. And then define what is order of relations and also their types. So under relation, we have different types, and then the same. Under order of relations, we have different types. Okay. So just check them out later on. So I won't be reading them one by one anymore. So we only have one module for this one, and then if you need more information or probably examples, then you can check these external links. So they also came from YouTube. And then we have some reading materials PDF that you can also check if in case you need more reading materials instead of watching video. You want to read, you want to scan more information, then you can check this 3 PDFs right here. Okay. And then for my references, we have this chapter 9 from Street Mathematics, which came from SlideShare, and Mathematics also, which titled Introduction and Types of Relations from Geek for Geeks. So you can also check those articles or websites. All right, so are we clear so far for this one? So this is empty. Maybe someone just draw something this one. Red line. Anyway, so that's it for the week 5. So just check this module later on. This is just a 45 slides. Okay, there you go. Well, if you guys are already done with the Math 100, then this one is easy. since this one or the topics right here mostly came from Mat 100. Where are we now? So yeah, and then for the watch videos, so as usual, you will see here the pre-made video, which is a compiled Zoom meeting from my previous class, and then we have the external YouTube link. So for the pre-made video, this is a 2 hour video. So just make sure to check them out. Okay, so if you already know that topic, then you can skip that one. All right. And as usual, we have some practice exercises here. So one came from quizzes, one came from Sim Foundry, one came from Let's Find course. Well, you can search more for more examples or quizzes. So these are just some that you can check when it comes to this topic religion. And then we have 9 citrics for this one. So quite many, but I am pretty sure that they are easy since this one is like an advanced topic for Mod 100. And then of course we have one case study for each one, so don't forget to answer this one also. And then all of them will be due on April 4, so you guys have exactly 1 week from now to finish everything. Okay. And since I cannot supposedly I'll publish the week 6 on April 4, but you guys won't be having enough time anymore to finish the given activities. Knowing that we have 10 more activities for the final week. So I decided to publish this week 6 tomorrow, March 29th. But we will not tomorrow anymore. So just check this one out. This will be you will be able to access one tomorrow at exactly 12 a.m. Okay. So yeah, for this one, we have this topic learning outcome. So we have P describe what is database and its operators and its examples. And then we'll also define what is a function and the different types of it. And then define what is floor and ceiling. So basically those are just two different topics. There's one by three. And yeah, that is or like 1 to 18 for the topic learning outcome 1 and 2. And then we only have one module for this one as usual. And then we have 3 YouTube link. So yeah, I think this one is not suffice or not sufficient for this topic learning outcomes. So I think I wasn't able to find a specific topic discussing that. For example, this topic right here, vertical test for a function. So probably you can search on the YouTube if you can find one, then that would be great. But for now, I just have this one. Okay, since I cannot find a video tutorial for that or for the others. Okay, that is right here. And then we have three reading materials, so that we can also check them out if you want some more information. And then we have this reference which came from tutorials. Okay, so any questions so far for the week 6 overview? Right, so yes, none. And as usual, here's the module. So I think this is 60, 50, 60 slides. 50. So almost 60 slides. So yeah, you may be able to see this one tomorrow at exactly 12 a.m. All right. And for the watch videos, as usual, you will see here the pre-made video of the module 5. So if I'm not mistaken, this is also 2 hours also. So just check this one out tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the pre-made video. And we have practice exercises and then the citrics, okay, which will be due on April 8th. So all in all, you have like 19, or let's say 19, 21, like 21 activities in total until April 8th. So you guys have like 11 more days to finish everything. And then, of course, after that, like exactly April 8th, will be your final exam already. So this will be available on April 8th, 11:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And of course, the coverage of your final exam will be from week right here. No, no, no. Week week 4, yeah. So week 4 to week 6, a total of 3 modules. So there's a question right here, sir, hanggang next week lang po klase. Yes, until next week only, until April 8 only. That is our last day of class. So if you guys are going to take a look on our school calendar, so your final exam dates will be 6, 7, and 8. So I decided to put your final exam on April 8 so that we can maximize our time, especially if you guys have a lot of things to do. So yeah, this is already the last day of class. So the one that has an orange circle is one right here. Is the last day of class. So any other questions so far?
Wala po, sir.
Okay. So just in case that, for example, you have a question for the week 5 and week 6, so feel free to message me anytime. So as soon as you have a concern, just message me right away so that once I have read your message, then I can reply as soon as I'm available. All right. So yeah, good luck. And this is already our last Zoom meeting. We will not meet tomorrow and on Monday anymore. So I already discussed everything so that you guys can use the remaining meetings for to finish all your activities. Anyway, yeah, that's it. And let's just meet again probably next time if I'll be your instructor again. So as always, thank you guys for coming. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, a blessed day to all of you. Happy lunch and goodbye. Again, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too. Yeah, thank you too.
Thank you, sir. Happy lunch.
Thank you and happy lunch too.